The program Bida Camp 2024 is a joint program of our youth, the RRM sector, as well as the health and anti-drug sector. So ang programa nato, kini siya nag-focus sa paghatag nato atensyon sa kahibalo sa itong mga kabatanunan pag-aabot sa disaster preparedness.
Aniata karon para masinati nato ang training and learning sa ato ang from our guest speakers from Bidayao, which is the emergency preparedness, and also for the mental health and spiritual health from Overflowing Fellowship Church. And lastly, that would be from PNP, which is mahisgutan ang anti-drugs and women and children protection.
And aside from that, dili lang nato sila hatagan og mga modules og mga lesson nga para lang sila makatabang sa ubang tao. But of course, it also needs lessons for them to know and to gauge how to save themselves first as the responders, because again, kailangan holistically healthy sila. They need to be spiritually prepared, mentally prepared, physically prepared, and above all, emotionally prepared once they go out and serve our community.
We are teaching basic life support, disaster preparedness orientation, bandaging, splinting, and lifting and moving patients. Kanitanan, composed siya sa disaster preparedness sa ato ang community.
Karon ang ilang ginatawag nga drill, and kana na part dira na to makita kung unsa dagan ba silang natun-an sa atong mga speaker, and hopefully ma-apply nila karon no ang katong mga ibang tudlo.
In a few moments, magsugod na ta sa ato ang trauma or bomb drill na atong pagabuhaton dire sa Katalunan Pequeño para ma-practice ang ato ang mga responders sa mga possible nga mahitabo sa ato ang mga palibot.
Kabataan ang bida, kaligtasan ang una.
Kabataan ang bida, kaligtasan ang una.
Kabataan ng bida, kaligtasan ang una.
Again, this is a testament that once we continue holding with each other to fight and to stand strong as a community, we can really achieve it. We can really move forward as one community.